Welcome to Crypto Chronicles. Today, we explore the thrilling world of NFT games. Join us as we discover how blockchain technology is transforming the gaming industry. Let's get started. NFT games are a unique fusion of gaming and blockchain technology. They enable players to truly own, trade, and interact with virtual assets as non-fungible tokens. Let's take a look at a couple of popular NFT games. One example is CryptoKitties, a game that lets players collect and breed adorable virtual cats, each represented as an NFT. These digital felines have unique traits and can be bought, sold, and traded using cryptocurrency. Some rare CryptoKitties have even fetched incredible prices in real-world auctions. Another exciting NFT game is Axie Infinity. In this game, players can raise, battle, and trade digital creatures known as Axies. Each Axie is a valuable NFT with distinct abilities and characteristics. Axie Infinity has gained massive popularity, with players even earning real-world income through their in-game adventures. These games showcase the power of NFTs in transforming the gaming landscape. But how exactly do NFT games work? It's all thanks to blockchain technology. NFTs are created, bought, and sold on blockchain platforms like Ethereum. This ensures transparency, security, and true ownership of virtual assets. Each NFT has a unique token ID that can be verified on the blockchain, proving its authenticity and scarcity. One of the key benefits of NFT games is ownership. Unlike traditional games, where in-game items are controlled by developers, NFT games grant players complete ownership and control over their virtual assets. You have the freedom to trade or sell your NFTs as you wish. NFT games also introduce exciting opportunities for players. Some NFTs can appreciate in value over time, turning them into potential investments. Just like rare collectibles, certain NFTs can become highly sought after, providing players with an opportunity to profit from their virtual ventures. However, it's important to be aware of potential challenges in the NFT space, such as environmental concerns and scams. By embracing responsible practices, regulations, and education, we can ensure a sustainable and trustworthy future for NFT games. That concludes our journey into the world of NFT games on Crypto Chronicles. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the exciting intersection of gaming and blockchain technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more captivating episodes on cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and the ever-evolving world of NFTs. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the possibilities of the crypto universe.